friends, today we are making a fun and cute Easter bunny and chick craft. Supplies: paper plates, colored craft paper, acrylic paint, glue, scissors, and printable template. Check out the description for the printable templates. For making the chick, paint the paper plate all yellow. Keep it aside to dry completely. Take your second paper plate and fold it in half and make a zigzag line on it and cut it out. Glue it onto the yellow plate. Cut out all the images on the colored craft paper, or you can color it too. Now just glue each thing on. And here is your cute hatching chick. Hope you enjoyed this craft. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.